Recently, I make a video for JavaScript. When to move the mouse in a text, the text will be changed. Then mouse move away from the text, the original content will be restored using the JavaScript. First, we need to create a HTML file. Have to basic HTML. Create a paragraph. ID first. Content. Javas. And create a script files. Create a JavaScript file. First, here this is a data type. Store content is variable. Store the take a value from the my content id get value divided. We have take the value and store the variable inside the content. That add event listener when to move the mouse over. Create a function. Come in the index.html file. Open with live server. Here is then move the content. But content is when to mouse leave away from the content, the original content will be not stored. Come in JavaScript file, write a query. First, need to restore the value from the original content in text content. We have stored the text content. Copy, mouse leave, event listener, mouse leave. When to mouse leave, then content will be original content will be stored. Then mouse leave. Use the add event listener. But this is not need. Need original content. Come in the indented file. Again, open with live server. Here, when to mouse move the replace original content by the this content, and then move away from the content. Then original content will be stored.